Hi! In front of me is WIKO U Pulse, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Firstly, just open the Messages app and pick one of your chats. When you're ready, select this plus at the bottom left corner. Click on Files and select them from here right away. You can also tap on those three lines at the top left corner and click on one of those sources instead. I will go with Downloads. Now hold any file that you wish to add and tap on Open at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!